town just went out.
There's another.
Hold on.
It's a landscaping truck. Get some of that. I'm gonna take you down there.
I-260 forward.
Why did they swerve over to hit that car?